Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto V. First, ensure the game is installed on your chosen platform, whether it's a console or a personal computer. Begin by completing the introductory story missions, which serve as a tutorial for the game's mechanics and introduce you to the main characters. Take some time to get comfortable with the controls for driving vehicles, engaging in combat, and navigating the open world on foot. This foundational understanding is crucial for enjoying the vast experiences Los Santos offers. Grand Theft Auto V offers an incredibly detailed open world to explore. You can drive a wide array of vehicles, from sports cars to helicopters, across the vast landscape of Los Santos and Blaine County. Discover iconic landmarks, hidden secrets, and participate in numerous side activities such as thrilling street races or a relaxing game of golf. Remember to use your in-game phone to connect with contacts, initiate missions, and browse the internet for useful information and purchases. The core of Grand Theft Auto V involves progressing through its compelling story, completing missions as Michael, Franklin, and Trevor. Beyond the main narrative, a wealth of side missions awaits, such as the quirky strangers and freaks encounters that introduce memorable characters and unique challenges. Don't forget the exhilarating heists, which are multi-part operations requiring careful planning and execution, offering some of the most substantial in-game rewards and thrilling gameplay experiences. For an expanded experience, dive into Grand Theft Auto Online, where you can join millions of players in a dynamic, persistent world. Personalize your character with countless clothing options and modify your vehicles with performance upgrades and aesthetic changes. Acquire properties like apartments and garages to expand your empire. Engage in a wide variety of online activities, from competitive races and intense deathmatches to cooperative missions, and managing your own criminal enterprises, offering endless hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.